Hi everybody, welcome to my home Tinker Lab. I don't have nearly as many materials as I do at school, but I hope you're all doing well. You guys in there? You're not inside my computer, are you? So today I have a challenge for you. I'm going to give you a hint to see if you can guess what it is. It's something for birds. I'll give you a second. Okay, maybe you guessed what it is. I'm going to tell you. So, drum roll. You're going to be designing a bird feeder. Okay, it's going to be so much fun. I am going to go through and show you how I'm going to make mine, but you, of course, can use other materials, whatever you have at your house. I had a large soda bottle, but that was too hard to cut, so I chose a small plastic bottle. And if you don't have a small plastic bottle, that's fine, because there are so many different ways that you can make a bird feeder. You can use an egg carton, you can use a milk jug, you can use a tissue tube, and that would be by spreading peanut butter on it and putting and layering the seeds on to feed the birds. But yeah, and I'm going to send links for examples so that you can kind of get an idea of what you want to do, okay? But I definitely want this to be your creation, okay? I don't want you don't have to do exactly what I'm doing. I just want to give you a little bit of a head start. Or not a head start, but I want to give you a little bit of a hint of what you could do. All right, so what I've done, I've started to cut out my bottle here. This is going to be the door to my bird feeder, okay? So I just cut out a rectangular shape, big enough so that a bird can get in and get snacks, okay? So I'm just going to finish cutting this up here, and this plastic is thin enough, but I think that if you're going to be cutting, you have to make sure that you have an adult around, right? So make sure mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, whoever's with you can help you out with the cutting. On thicker materials, a box cutter would be great. And of course, you can't use a box cutter if you're 4, 5, or 6 years old, or 3 years old. So make sure you have your adult humans with you, okay? All right, so you see I've cut out the side of the bottle, and now it's not completely dry inside. That's okay. I'm going to think about where the bird is going to sit. Now the food is going to go in here. Where's the bird going to sit? Sit on its food? No, I'm going to give it a place to sit. So I'm going to use chopstick. You can use different things. I have sticks that I brought in from outside that you can use. Actually, do I want to use a chopstick, or do I want to use, what do you think? If I could hear you, I would listen. But let's see how this goes. I cut a slit into the back of the bottle. Maybe I'll use my chopstick. That'll go in easier. Okay, that may not stay, but I have let's see, if I slide it through farther. You choose how far you want to push it through. I actually have some hot glue here that I'm going to use to just make sure that it's in there. It's not going to move. If you don't have a hot glue gun, that's quite all right. You can use tape, or you may not even need to use tape. You may be able to just make the hole big enough so that the stick doesn't move. So I'm going to put a little bit at the opening there. And I'm going to let that sit, and I'm not going to touch it because I don't want to get burned. All right? I'm going to give that a little 15 or 20 second count. I don't think I have enough glue. I need to add some more. All right, so now that I've added glue, it's not very straight, but I don't think the birds will really care about the angle that that their seat is at. All right, and now I have some markers that I'm just going to decorate and color on the sides. Whatever materials that you choose to use, decorate it however you please. You can glue things on, you can glue sticks on, you can glue pebbles on around the edges, the outside of it if you want to make it look beautiful. You can use colorful tape. I have some duct tape here, but I'm not going to add that. So let's see. Apart from, after you decorate your bird feeder however you want, you have to figure out, am I going to hang it from a tree? Am I going to just sit it outside somewhere? Will the wind blow it over? You have to take those things into consideration. So I'm going to use yarn, and I'm going to tie yarn around the top so that I can hang mine in a tree. And the yarn is over there, so I'm going to walk over and get it. Come out, come out. I'll be right back. I'm coming back shortly. Let's see. Okay, so I thought I had yarn, and I know I do. Oh, I can't locate it right now, so I have some thread for bracelets that I can use instead. So if you don't have yarn, if you don't have thread, you can use a shoestring, you can use an old cord. Just be creative, okay? Or you don't have to let it hang from a tree. You can just put it out somewhere on a table or something like that. Let's see. So I'm gonna just tie a piece of this around. I hope everybody's having fun at home. Let's see. I can't wait to hear about some of the things that you've done. And I can't wait to see your bird feeders. Oh yeah. I wonder how they're gonna look. I wonder what you'll use. Okay, and I'm gonna snip this off here. All right, and so this would hang from a tree, of course. What would I put in here? A cheeseburger? Birds don't eat cheeseburgers, do they? I'm gonna put some bird seeds in here. The birds are gonna be so happy about this. Okay, so yours, of course, is gonna look much better than what I've done here. This is just an example for you. So like I said, just check in your kitchen or just anywhere to see what kind of materials you have. You can use sticks, you can use skewers to decorate it. If you have jewels or let's see, what else could you use? Pom-poms, anything like that that you want to use to beautify your bird feeder, you can do that. So I hope that you meet the challenge, and I cannot wait to see your finished products, okay? All right, now we're gonna sing our goodbye song because that's what we do at the end, right? All right, here we go. Now it's time to say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye. See you later. All right, guys, have fun with the challenge. How do you turn this thing off?